future of transportation is electrifying. Today, climate change is the #1 threat facing species and habitats. Curbing climate change means drastically reducing greenhouse gas emissions, GHG. In South Africa, 48% of these emissions come from transportation, and one of the biggest culprits is the car. That is why South African designer and manufacturer of electric buses, EV Green, is developing and promoting the conversion from fossil fuel vehicles to electric vehicles, EVs. EVs are far more efficient than conventional cars, and if the electricity that powers them comes from renewable energy sources, as that is the case across most regions in the country, the benefits are even greater. In the public transport system, we can convert and build buses to run at a maximum of 15% of their current running cost, and that will result to approximately 85% savings in the current running costs. In a typical fossil fuel powered vehicle, the gas tank is not part of the design model. The engine consumes fuel, but the engine does not put the fuel back in the gas tank. A paradigm shift from internal combustion engines to electric vehicles is that in an electric vehicle, an electrical drivetrain system with rechargeable batteries is installed. The drivetrain consumes energy from the battery during motoring. The drivetrain can also add charge to the battery if the motor is operated as a generator during regeneration. This can occur during braking or if an internal combustion engine, ICE, is the powering vehicle. The advantages of using electrical vehicles are that electricity is readily available. Because there is no IC engine, the vehicle runs without producing any noisy sound. There are no emissions from EVs, and that makes them environmentally friendly. The running cost of an EV is in the region of 8% to 12% of the cost of an IC vehicle. The advantages of using electric vehicles are that electricity is readily available. Because there is no IC engine, the vehicle runs without producing any noisy sound. There are no emissions from EVs, and that makes them environmentally friendly. The running cost of an EV is in the region of 8% to 12% of the cost of an IC vehicle. The electric motor in an EV needs to be serviced every 80,000 kilometers. The system can be charged via a normal household plug or a fast charging station. EV Green, the future power today.